I'm Mia and I do fine art at Victoria College of the Arts. I specialise in sculpture and spatial practice. So I mainly work with latex and steel, and I make these latex casts that I use brush latex that dries and I peel it up and it becomes a work. Recently I've been doing these latex works where I brush latex onto a surface, whether it be the ground or the wall, usually with a bit of texture, like outside, with like dirt or something around. And I will brush latex, and it's like a paint sort of material, and let that dry and do it layer by layer. And then once that's dried and ready, I peel it off, and usually I document, so I have footage of it and like images of it when I'm ready to peel it off. When I install my works, I tend to film the work as a documentation, and then the first time I did that, I realised that it would be a work in itself, and I had works in the past where I project onto a large wall the process of me ripping up the latex sheets, and presented that sometimes alongside the latex piece as well. So with the latex, I call them latex sheets, or they could be like a blanket type of thing. And usually I either nail them to the walls or, planning on either nailing the current work that I'm working on to the wall, or potentially suspending it so that the viewer can see both sides of it. I like focusing on site and non-site, and for the latex casts, I usually pick a location where it's temporary and it may be demolished, or it's like, or I'm no longer going to be living in that area or something like that. I'm currently working on a piece for my end of year grad show, and it will be a large latex piece where I brush latex into the backyard of a site that's yet to be demolished. So I'm looking at spaces that are going to be demolished and then bringing them into the gallery sort of space.
Just get up and walk away.
Oh, really?
Like a full body.
Thanks for having me.